Hello everyone. My name is Liam Strand, and I'm going to be demonstrating some of the features of the MEDFORD language server. We invoke the server by creating a file that ends with the .mfd extension. And we can begin by adding a header comment specifying the file's name, who wrote it, and what it's about. We ask for auto-completions by starting to write a token with the @ symbol, and we get a list of all of the defined major tokens. We're going to be using the MEDFORD major token to specify what version of MEDFORD we're using. We're using 1.0. And we can write a little bit of metadata about the software that we've created, the MEDFORD language server. Notice that we've got a little error squiggle here telling us that we haven't filled out all of the required fields for the software primary option. And now that we've specified its path and its type, the error squiggles have disappeared. And we can also add some additional metadata like the version. We could also talk a little bit about who was a contributor to this project. So I, Liam Strand, was the project lead here. So my role was project lead. And my email is liam.strand@tufts.edu. This is a Tufts associated project, so using my Tufts email. And my association for this project is Tufts University. Now, if I had another contributor, like my supervisor, Laura Cohen, she also has an association. Now, I could just copy and paste the Computer Science Tufts University Association here, but instead I'm going to use a macro. I'm going to define a new macro, Tufts CS, and I'm going to define that to have the value Department of Computer Science Tufts University and the address. And now instead of typing it out each time or copying and pasting it, I can reference that macro and I say tick @ to use it, and then I get a drop down of all of the previously defined macros. And for this one, we have Tufts CS. We can hit enter to complete it. Notice that we have here on the right side a little preview of the value of that macro. These are just a few of the features. There are many, many more, like warning you about including the template token, many others, but this is just a quick preview. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email or GitHub issue or carrier pigeon or whatever you prefer. Thanks for your attention.